Here is a walkthrough on how I made my logo, and you can follow these steps to make one customized to your brand. The brush set I used can be found in the description box below. I start off using Canva to make a font that I can use as a reference. You can choose any font that you like. You can download a transparent PNG and open it in Procreate, but I just saved it with the white background and drew over the font to make it more personalized. Now here's a mini tutorial on how to create outlines in Procreate. First, change the font to any color you like by making a new layer above and click on Clipping Mask. The paper brush I'm using can be found in the link below, called Paper Texture Light. To make the outline, duplicate the font layer. I want to make the outline white, so I'll click on Alpha Lock and then Fill Layer. Then click on Alpha Lock again to turn it off. Now go to the effects in the top left and click on Gaussian Blur. I make it about 7%, but you can increase the percentage if you want a thicker outline. Finally, click on the selection tool and make sure it is on Automatic and Color Fill. Simply tap on the font and slide to get the outline width you want. Here I am using the dotted line brush to make it look like stitching. To make the thin outline designs, I'm using the thin outline stroke brush in my brush pack, and the dark paper texture brush is a thinner brush for drawing smaller designs. And again, I designed the cartoons font in Canva. Here I am inserting a picture of my OC, lowering the opacity, and on a new layer, drawing her to fit the logo design better. I drew her arm on a new layer so I can later animate it. And that's everything. Watch my previous video to see how the logo looks animated. See you next time.